we just built this extremely huge cat tree, and I can't get all of it on one screen unless I'm backed really up. So, oh god, I almost tripped. Okay, we're good. That's the whole cat tree. We've got, starting at the bottom, that the little thing leads up into here. Too dark from the camera. Down here with a little rope toy. Then up here, you can head up there. And you got a little thing. Then we head up here, look around. Mouse, attack, attack. Another mouse, attack, attack. Cat, oh noes. Hide, oh noes. Go up, past cat. Look around, jump up even further. Another cat, oh noes. Ow, I fells. Ows. Alright, time to attempt to climb the legendary Tower of Cats. There's the second cat, and he's fat. He's fat. Well, he's not fat. Well, he's not slim. He's normal. Slightly larger than normal though. Then we got up here. And that's the cat tree, in case you are wondering.